Good day, Esther.
Good day, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Esther Sarmiento, 36 years old, single, still living with my mother, and she is a sales lady on her same employer for over 30 years. My father is already deceased, and I have 3 sisters, 2 brothers, and I am the second eldest of the family, and I am high school graduate, ma'am.
Okay, Esther, do you have a work experience abroad?
No, ma'am. I only work here in the Philippines as a domestic helper to a couple for 3 years, to a couple with 1 kid boy, 4 years old, and they have 2 dogs. My duty is to take care of the kids, fetch him after his school, and I do all house chores like cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, and I also take care of the 2 dogs, ma'am.
Okay, what time you usually sleep and wake up when you're working?
I usually sleep at 11 p.m. in the evening, ma'am, and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, ma'am.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 week, how many times you go to market?
Twice a week or if necessary, ma'am.
Okay, how do you describe the kind of upbringing your parents did to you?
My parents raised us to be respectful, responsible, God-fearing, and do all house chores, ma'am.
Okay, do they spoil you or teach you to be independent?
They did not spoil us, ma'am. Instead, they teach us to be independent and do all house chores, ma'am.
Okay, in Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be very patient to the children, ma'am. I talk slowly. I speak slowly and politely, ma'am.
Okay, in your previous work, how did you manage the children and what are you going to do if the kids are too playful so you can work smoothly?
I woke up early, ma'am. Prepare breakfast for the family. Prepare the kids for his school. The parents sending his to school, and I'm the one pitching here after his school. And I do when the kids are in school, I do all house chores like cleaning, washing the clothes, ironing the clothes, marketing, cooking, and I also take care of the 2 dogs, ma'am.
Okay, how do you describe your previous employer?
My previous employers, ma'am, are all goods to me, ma'am.
Okay, do they give you a set of rules they like and would like you to do or is it up to your style?
At the first, ma'am, they give the rules. Later on, I do it with my own style as long as I finish up all the work, ma'am.
So, is there another helper in your previous work?
No, ma'am.
Okay, what is your main duty?
My main duty is to take care of the kids, assist on his school work, ma'am.
Okay, are you afraid? Oh, okay. Can you